In the heart of a bustling city, amidst towering skyscrapers and endless streams of data, we find ourselves standing at the cusp of an extraordinary era. It's not just any day, it's the dawn of something transformative, something that could reshape our very existence. Imagine this: you wake up one morning to discover that your job has been replaced by a machine. Not just anyone's job, but yours, the very role you've dedicated years to perfecting. In recent decades, we've seen glimpses of what's ahead. From self-driving cars navigating the streets with precision to virtual assistants managing our daily tasks, artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer a concept from science fiction novels, it has become an integral part of our reality. But this isn't just about convenience or efficiency, it's about change on a profound scale. The question that haunts us all now is, will AI replace jobs forever? This isn't merely the realm of tech experts and futurists anymore. It's something that touches every one of us, regardless of profession or background. As we stand at this crossroads, we must ask ourselves, are we prepared for a world where our roles are defined by machines? To understand how we got here, let's travel back in time to the early 20th century when automation began its slow but steady ascent. Back then, it was simple. Machinery replacing labor-intensive tasks on farms and factories. Fast forward to today, and AI has evolved far beyond that. It's now learning at an unprecedented rate, adapting to new environments, and even creating jobs in unexpected fields. Imagine a future where every repetitive task is handled by machines with unparalleled precision and speed. Where decisions once made by humans are left to algorithms capable of processing vast amounts of data instantaneously. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about the potential for innovation and creativity that AI might unlock, transforming industries we can scarcely imagine today. But as thrilling as this prospect may be, they're in the heart of Silicon Valley, under a canopy of towering redwoods that have witnessed centuries of change, we stand at an unprecedented crossroads. The air is thick with innovation, yet tinged with uncertainty. As whispers of AI's formidable rise fill the valley's crisp morning light. It was not long ago when smartphones were considered magical gadgets, now ubiquitous and integral to daily life. Today, these same devices seem like precursors to a future where artificial intelligence, AI, no longer just enhances our lives but fundamentally transforms them, transforming work as we know it. The question looms large: will AI replace human jobs forever? Let's take a moment to look back at how far we've come. In the early 20th century, the assembly line revolutionized industry by replacing manual labor with machines. Fast forward to today, where self-driving cars and smart assistants are part of our everyday world. Each step forward in technology has inevitably raised concerns about job displacement, yet history tells us that humanity thrives on adaptability. Consider how the printing press transformed society centuries ago. Books became more accessible, but it was not just scribes who felt the tremors. Publishers, librarians, and educators all had to adjust their roles. The Industrial Revolution saw a similar upheaval as factories replaced craftsmen, yet new jobs emerged in management, logistics, and engineering. Now, we find ourselves at another pivotal moment where AI is poised to revolutionize work once again. This time, the landscape of labor may look very different from anything humanity has experienced before. Tasks that were once considered too complex for machines are now within reach as algorithms become more sophisticated. In warehouses, robots can handle inventory and packaging with efficiency unmatched by human workers. In hospitals, AI-driven diagnostics help doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. Even creative fields aren't immune. AI tools assist writers in generating articles or even composing poetry. Yet, while the potential for job replacement is undeniable, so too are opportunities for innovation in the heart of Silicon Valley. Under an unassuming glass dome, engineers toil away on a future that seems both tantalizingly close and shockingly distant. The question looms large: will artificial intelligence replace our jobs forever? It's a query that sparks both awe and unease, a vision of tomorrow where machines whisper promises of efficiency but also threaten the very essence of human work. Imagine walking down the street in 2050, no more traffic jams because autonomous cars handle everything. No more manual labor on construction sites as robots build towering skyscrapers with precision. In these scenarios, AI doesn't just replace jobs, it reshapes entire industries. But what does this mean for us? Are we mere spectators to our own obsolescence? The answer isn't cut and dry. In fact, the future is a complex web of interwoven possibilities. On one side, some experts predict a dystopian world where machines dominate every aspect of life, leaving humans as passive observers or even unemployed. Yet on the other hand, there's a narrative of hope where AI becomes our partner in innovation and progress. Let's delve deeper into this paradoxical future. Think about your own job today. You might be a teacher, a nurse, an engineer, or perhaps you're just starting out with a career that hasn't even been invented yet. In the grand scheme of things, what makes your role irreplaceable? Is it the empathy and understanding that comes from human interaction? Or is it the problem-solving skills that only humans can bring to complex challenges? As we explore these questions, let's not forget about those who have already experienced significant changes due to AI. In manufacturing plants across the world, robots now do much of what once required a skilled human touch. In hospitals, AI systems help diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. These advancements bring undeniable benefits but also raise concerns about job displacement. However, just as every wave of technological change has disrupted traditional as we stand on the cusp of a technological revolution that could reshape our world forever, one question looms large in the collective consciousness: will artificial intelligence, AI, replace our jobs? The very thought sends ripples through society. Will humans find themselves obsolete before they even have time to blink? Imagine stepping into an AI-laden future where robots and digital assistants handle every task from mundane chores to complex decision-making processes. It's a world painted in stark contrasts, with gleaming skyscrapers and self-driving cars juxtaposed against the shadowy corners of unemployment and economic upheaval. In this landscape, we find ourselves at an intersection of human history and technological evolution. AI has been inching towards our lives for decades, first as simple tools like spell check, then slowly evolving into more complex entities that can learn, adapt, and even create art or music on par with their human counterparts. But the real question is not just about what jobs will be replaced, it's about how humanity adapts to a world where machines do much of the heavy lifting. Let's delve deeper into this future. In a factory setting, AI-driven robots already perform tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans could ever hope to manage. Imagine an assembly line where each step, from raw material handling to final packaging, is seamlessly executed by intelligent machinery. This isn't just about speed, it's also about consistency and precision that can significantly reduce waste and increase productivity. But the implications extend far beyond manufacturing. In healthcare, AI is already helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately than ever before. Machine learning algorithms sift through vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns that could be missed by even the most experienced human eyes. This isn't just about diagnosis, it's also about treatment planning and personalized medicine. In finance, AI-driven trading systems make split-second decisions based on market trends and economic indicators far more rapidly than any human ever could. These systems are already outperforming many of their human counterparts in terms of profitability and efficiency. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution that is reshaping our world, it becomes increasingly clear that artificial intelligence, AI, will play an ever-growing role in both our professional lives and personal experiences. The question looms large: will AI replace our jobs forever? This isn't just about job loss or economic displacement, it's fundamentally about how we as a society adapt to change. Imagine walking down the street, seeing more self-driving cars than ever before. These vehicles aren't just a convenience, they're part of a broader trend where machines and algorithms are taking over tasks that once seemed exclusively human. Take logistics, for example. AI-driven delivery systems can optimize routes in real time, reducing costs and improving efficiency. But it's not only about logistics or driving jobs away. Think about the healthcare sector. AI is already revolutionizing diagnostics. Through machine learning models that can analyze vast amounts of medical data faster than any human could ever hope to do manually. These tools are becoming indispensable, potentially saving lives by providing more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. In retail too, we see a shift towards automation with cashierless stores using facial recognition technology or AI-driven chatbots handling customer inquiries 24/7. This isn't just about convenience, it's about how businesses can operate more efficiently, but also the potential for new roles that require different skills and expertise. The impact of these changes extends beyond individual industries to the very fabric of our economy. As machines become better at performing routine tasks, they will increasingly take over positions previously held by humans. This could lead to a significant reallocation of jobs, with some workers finding themselves out of their traditional roles while others emerge in new fields. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Just as the Industrial Revolution led to new opportunities for skilled labor, so too might this AI-driven transformation open up entirely new industries and professions. The challenge lies in our ability to reskill and retrain workers for these emerging positions. Education systems will need as we stand on the precipice of a new era, one can't help but feel both awe and anxiety. The technological leap forward has been nothing short of revolutionary. But how does this monumental shift affect our world? How will artificial intelligence, AI, reshape not just industries, but society as a whole? One cannot ignore the vast array of jobs that AI is already transforming. From mundane tasks to complex analyses, it seems like no field is immune from automation. Yet, there's an underlying question: will these advancements lead us down a path where human labor becomes obsolete? The thought alone sends shivers through many minds. However, as we delve deeper into the conversation, something intriguing emerges. While AI undoubtedly has the potential to replace certain jobs, it also opens up new possibilities that were once mere fantasies. Industries like healthcare and education are beginning to see revolutionary changes thanks to intelligent machines. These technologies not only augment human capabilities but can potentially solve some of society's most pressing issues. Consider the field of medicine. With AI assisting in diagnostics, doctors can make faster and more accurate decisions, saving countless lives. In classrooms, virtual tutors adapt to each student's pace, ensuring no one is left behind. These advancements aren't just about efficiency, they're about making a tangible difference in people's lives. But what does this mean for the future? As AI continues its march forward, it raises questions of whether we are truly prepared for such a world. Will our education systems adapt quickly enough to prepare students for roles that don't even exist yet? How can society ensure equitable access to these new technologies so no one is left behind? The reality is, humans have always been adaptable creatures. We've managed to thrive in the face of unprecedented challenges throughout history. So, while it's natural to feel apprehensive about AI's impact on jobs, perhaps we should focus more on how we can coexist with this technology. Imagine a world where people and machines work together harmoniously, where human creativity and big ideas shape tomorrow. Subscribe to be part of what's next.